Hey, it's Donna Sparks here with part 2 of the Vortex. Also looking at troubleshooting how to keep it nice and smooth. That's a question I get asked quite a lot. So the part 2 of the Vortex is last time we looked at gripping the outside of the hoop and we were switching at the top, palms facing, yeah? This time what we're going to do is we're going to look at it more as a carry off, so palm facing outwards and on the inside of the hoop to carry it up and bring it back down. Or to do a continuous vortex, we're going to carry up, change and down, up and down, up and down. All right, let's get started. To be able to do this move, you do need to have the back lift off. I'll talk through it really quickly, but I'm sure you can find other videos that go through this in much more detail. So we're going to place the back of the hand against, not on top of the spine, just to the outside of the spine on the same side of the body as the hand. Yeah, so if this is the center, you want to go just to the side. You need to be able to hoop with your hand in this position. Once the hoop touches the hand, 1, 2, 3 times, you're going to go side boob stroke up to the sky. It'll carry it off usually into a lasso, but because we're doing a vortex, we're not going to let it really spin at the top. So just here at the back, we go up and then we catch at the top here. We let it stop. We want it to be just out in front of the body, just here. I'll show you again. Coming around, back of the hand against the spine, counting 1, 2, 3, carry up, and we land here. The second hand then comes in palm facing. You can grip it when you're learning, in which case then you turn it to halo and carry down, and this hand would come in, palm back to carry up, carry down, carry up, carry down. Yeah? What you can do is lose the grippiness. So we can go palm facing outwards, carry up, and instead of gripping on here, you can just push it onto the palm and carry it down. So we're looking for a light, sticky movement. Yeah? From the side, starting here, and in slow-mo. And in real time, down, up, and down. Another option, if that's feeling pretty good and you want it to get a little bit smoother and stickier, a little bit more liquidy and yum, is once you've carried the hoop up and off to here, instead of coming in fingers pointing up, what you can do is as this comes around, you come in with the fingers, so you use this hand to bring it over the head, so the thumb's going to point in towards here, so you end up with the back of the hand facing out. You bring the elbow up through the hoop, the palm faces forward here, and we carry it down with the fingers pointing down. We go thumb to thumb at the back, we carry it up, and from here, elbow up, fingers down, and around. I'll do it in slow-mo. Real time, coming up, elbow up, hand down, and on. If we want it to be continuous, we go coming up and down, thumbs together at the back, keep on traveling. The more that you can spin, the more momentum that you get, the smoother your vortex is going to be. Another thing I notice as the hoop comes off here, when I want it to turn in here, I actually let the hoop spin into that position rather than grip. I release it so it spins a bit on the thumb so that second hand can come in. We'll try and do a real close-up of that, yeah? So as this comes in, I release the hand just there, release, so this hand can come in and down, there. Yeah, slow-mo. And down. So let's recap the vortex. If you don't want to do it off your waist, we can start the palm out, back of the hand to the body. Turn and push. It's much harder without momentum. Then you can come palm to face to bring the hoop around and down. Palm out, turn and push up, palm to face and down. The other option was turn and push up. Let this hand bring the hoop over the head and then bring the elbow up through. This palm comes in here and we carry down there. Thumbs together at the back, carry up and down. So that is the second kind of vortex. It is a little trickier one. You've got that extra little variation where you get this nice little arch up here to carry the hoop down as well. If you liked it, please do share it. You can find me on Facebook at HoopSparks, Instagram at DonnaSparks, or at my website, hoopsparks.com. Happy hooping and many well wishes for some smooth, beautiful vortexes. See you next time.